The water dispute between Iran and Afghanistan is a long-standing issue that has been exacerbated by climate change and the Taliban's takeover of Afghanistan. The Helmand River is the main source of water for both countries. It originates in Afghanistan and flows through Iran before emptying into the Persian Gulf. The river is vital for agriculture, drinking water, and hydroelectric power in both countries. In 1973, Iran and Afghanistan signed a water-sharing agreement. The agreement allocated 22 cubic meters per second of water to Iran and 4 cubic meters per second to Afghanistan. However, during the 40-plus years of civil war in Afghanistan and the Soviet Union invasion and American invasion into Afghanistan during last 20 years, Iran received more water than the agreed treaty of agreement has never been fully implemented. In recent years, Iran has accused Afghanistan of not releasing enough water to meet its share of the agreement. Afghanistan has denied these accusations, arguing that it is not getting enough water from the upstream tributaries of the Helmand River due to less rainfall and snow. The water dispute has escalated in recent years due to climate change. Climate change has caused the Helmand River to become more variable, with some years being very wet and others being very dry. This has made it difficult for both countries to manage their water resources. The Taliban has agreed to abide by the 1973 water-sharing agreement only if they receive enough water from upstream, which is not the case now. In 2011, the previous government of Afghanistan started to build Kamal Khan Dam in Nimroz province of Afghanistan, which is in borderline with Iran. There were several unknown attacks on the construction works of the dam, and Afghan government believed it was from Iran as they are not in favor of building this dam. However, they were building the dam in their own country. Recently, the president of Iran government Mohammad Ibrahim Raisi visited the borderline area of Afghanistan and Iran. The place is affected due to water scarcity, and Raisi in a warning tone said, he advises the Taliban government of Afghanistan to release water to Iran as their Sistan and Baluchistan is being affected due to water scarcity. If the Taliban ignores his words, whatever later happens, the Taliban will be responsible and they should not complain that they were not informed before. In response to Raisi's speech, the Islamic Emirates of Afghanistan spokesperson Zabihullah Mujahid said, "The type of hate speech from Iran president is not good as it will create misunderstanding and conflict between the two Muslim nations." He advised Iran to first get a proper information and understand the reason behind scarcity of water. Mujahid added there has been drought in the country from years. The water is not enough for Afghanistan and they have not blocked water to Iran as there's no water available to flow into Iran. The Islamic Emirates of Afghanistan Minister of Water and Enjoy Mullah Abdul Latif Mansour said, "No one should spread hate speech, as it will have bad consequences for the two nations." He added there isn't enough water available in upstream due to recent years of drought. The water dispute between Iran and Afghanistan is a serious issue that has the potential to destabilize the region. Both countries need to work together to find a solution that is fair and sustainable. Here are some possible solutions to the water dispute between Iran and Afghanistan. 1. Improved water management. Both countries need to improve their water management systems. This includes building dams and reservoirs to store water, improving irrigation systems, and planting crops that are more drought-resistant. 2. Joint water projects. Iran and Afghanistan could work together on joint water projects. This could include building dams and reservoirs, or developing new irrigation systems. 3. International cooperation. The international community could help to resolve the water dispute between Iran and Afghanistan. This could involve providing financial assistance, technical expertise, or mediation services. The water dispute between Iran and Afghanistan is a complex issue with no easy solutions. However, with cooperation and goodwill, both countries can find a solution that is fair and sustainable.